How to make character selection in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Roblox Studio and then go here on your game. Once you are now on your game, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go here on the toolbox, which is normally located on the left screen. And then on the search bar, we're going to search for character selection. After that, just click enter and then just click the code, which is right here. So click that and then we're going to click OK. And then in this part, you will see that these have been added. So what we're going to do is to drag those under the replicated storage, which is right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click the character selection and then drag this under the starter GUI and then the character selection under the server script service. After that, what we are going to do is to just add the characters that we would like to add. So let's say, for example, that we would like to add Spider-Man character right here. So let's look for Spider-Man. So let's say, for example, that we would like to use this. So what we're going to do here is to drag the Spider-Man under the characters. So after that, if you want to add another one, maybe let's say Roblox. So let's say, for example, that we would like to add this. So what we're going to do is to drag this again under the characters folder. And then once you do that, if you want to try it, all you have to do is to click on the play button, which is right here. So click on that. And then in this part, you will see this select character. So just click select character right there. And then as you can see, this is where we can select our character. And then just click the select button. And as you can see, we now have changed our character. So if you want to change it again, all you have to do is click select and then click select. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make character selection in Roblox Studio.